Hi, I'm Kylie of Kylie M Interiors, online paint color consultant and e-design expert. Today we're going to look at Sherwin-Williams High Reflective White. When I'm doing my consulting, High Reflective White is one that I refer to a lot because it's super versatile. Why is it versatile? Because it's so darned white. So every paint color has a number called the LRV number, and it tells you how light or dark a paint color is on a scale of 0 to 100. 0 is black, 100 is white. This guy sits at 93. There is only one white that we use in the paint world that is whiter than this one, and that's a BEHR color, which I'll get into at another point. But at 93, this is pretty legit white. But that doesn't mean it doesn't have the tiniest wink of warmth to it. So it's not an icy cold white that's going to flash blue on you, but really it's not a very yellow or warm white at all. It's pretty darn white. You can see if you look at the poster board there, that really shows off the brightness of it. But when I'm going to pick a white paint color, the best way to do it is to compare it to other white paint colors. That will really help you see the undertones and decide which white is best for you. So let's look at a few. Sherwin-Williams Pure White. And as much as I refer to High Reflective White, this is my numero uno. This is Sherwin-Williams Pure White. It has an LRV of, I think it's 83. So it's a soft white and it has a really pretty warmth to it. Generally, I find it a little bit more versatile for the average home that has a mix of paint colors. So you can really see there how white and poppin' High Reflective White is. Let's also look at Benjamin Chantilly Lace. So there we go. So Chantilly Lace, from Benjamin Moore's point of view, is their most white. It's the best way to get a white look. And I don't disagree. It's a beautiful color. Now it has an LRV of 90. So it's 3 points lower. And I think you can see that subtle shift there, which makes High Reflective White look that little bit whiter in comparison. And do I have another one? Yes, Sherwin-Williams Extra White. So a lot of people go to Extra White when they want a slightly cooler look. But this guy actually has an LRV of about 86. So look at that. So while it doesn't have that bright, pretty look of High Reflective White, it also comes off a little bit less warm, a little bit more muted. It's a beautiful color, but I rarely refer to it. This is definitely a go-to along with Sherwin-Williams Pure White, Benjamin Moore White Dove. Those are just some of my favorites, and I do have color reviews on those too. So you'll also notice I have this awesome sample. It's actually a peel and stick paint sample from Sample-Eyes. They will deliver to your door if you're in the US in 1 to 3 business days, and they're like half the price of traditional sample pots, so it's a no-brainer. Now, I do hope that you'll visit me at my website, www.kylieminteriors.ca. I have over 300 articles, paint color reviews, decorating tips and ideas. I have a great search function. You just put your keyword in there and you will be learning for days. And please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you.